Are you tired of paying high subscription fees for language models and AI assistants? Look no further than Chatgpt 4. The latest version of our advanced AI technology is now available for free, giving you access to top-quality language processing and communication tools without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, professional, or just looking to improve your language skills, Chatgpt 4 has got you covered. So why wait? Sign up today and start using Chatgpt 4 for free. Looking for ways to access Chatgpt 4 without breaking the bank? Look no further. With Chatgpt 4, you can tap into the power of advanced AI language processing and communication tools for free. Whether you're a student, professional, or language enthusiast, there are multiple ways to access the GPT-4 API. Try the Chatgpt 4 chatbot on Hugging Face or Microsoft Bing Chat for a seamless and user-friendly experience. Plus, with no need for your own OpenAI API key, you can start exploring the model right away. So what are you waiting for? Try Chatgpt 4 for free today and experience the power of AI. How to use Chatgpt 4 for free using Hugging Face? Are you curious to try out the latest and greatest natural language processing model, GPT-4? Well, you're in luck because you can now use Chatgpt 4 for free on Hugging Face. Developed by Yuvraj Sharma, this chatbot is completely free to use, and the best part is that you don't need your own OpenAI API key. However, keep in mind that there may be a queue, which means you may have to wait a few seconds, or even up to a minute or two, to get a response. But don't worry, there's a solution for that too. You can clone the project and add your own API key to get an instant response. Here are the steps to follow. Go to this link to use Chatgpt 4 on Hugging Face for free. Type in your question and hit the Run button. You'll receive a response from the Chatgpt 4 model. It's that easy to try out GPT-4 without needing the Chatgpt Plus subscription. If you find the response time too long, you can clone the repository and use your own OpenAI API key. But keep in mind that this option is no longer free as you'll need credits to use the API. To get started, click on Duplicate Space. After that, change the visibility to Public and click on Duplicate Space. Move to the Settings page. Scroll down and look for Repository Secrets. Click on New Secret. Add OpenAI_API_key in the name field and your OpenAI API key in secret value. You can get your OpenAI API key from the link provided. Click on App in the top row. Finally, your GPT-4 chatbot will be ready to use without any delay in response. So, what are you waiting for? Give Chatgpt 4 a try and experience the power of GPT-4 for yourself.